Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and guess what? This is the giveaway video for this little fella right here, the Potensic ATOM SE. Totally blanked out on the name for a second there, but this little guy I did a review on it, and it's not a terrible drone, but for the money, it's not super amazing, okay? But if you're getting it for free, it's pretty amazing, I would say. And I want to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this giveaway video. They have nothing to do with the actual giveaway, but they're sponsoring this video because they basically give me money to tell you that they exist. And they do very much exist. You can go to PCBWay.com and find everything you need for your custom PCB projects. They have thousands of components to choose from. You can choose different types of circuit board materials. You can get flexible circuit boards. It's crazy. Also, you can have them assemble everything for you. That's an extra service that they have, and they can actually test function the thing so to make sure that it actually works before it even arrives at your door. So that's pretty cool. So if you are into designing PCBs and stuff like that, go check them out. And if you aren't into designing PCBs, which I'm not really, they also offer rapid prototyping services. So if you don't have a 3D printer or a CNC machine or the ability to bend sheet metal or injection mold plastic. So if you're interested in getting any of those types of things done, any of those services for a prototype that you're working on perhaps, go check them out, PCBWay.com. Let them know that I sent you. There'll be a link down in the description below this video. Standard rules for my giveaways, so go check the description down below for the full details, okay? But basically, what you're gonna do is you're going to leave a comment down below this video. You can say pretty much anything. Please don't use profanities and be nice. Or please don't use profanities and do please be nice. But you can say pretty much whatever you want to say, and then I will pick a random winner 1 week from the posting date of this video. Okay, so don't comment on a video like a month or a year later and be like, oh, I really want it so bad. I don't know why people do that. It's funny. Now, that's pretty much it. It's really super simple. Now, if you're wondering, Adam, how can I thank you for this giveaway? Please let me do something. Well, since you asked, what I'm going to do is after I'm done talking here, I'm going to add some extra footage that I had from the review of the Potensic ATOM SE, because that seems to be fairly appropriate given the subject matter. And if you would just let this video play out, that would really help a lot, because you see YouTube videos, they get ranked by like how much people watch them and engage with them. And so if you would just, you can minimize this video, or you can mute me, or whatever you want to do, and just let this video play for the entire duration, that would really be great. I think it would, because it should help all my channel analytics and stuff, and then YouTube sees that people watch my videos, and then so they suggest them to other people, and then it kind of helps everything grow. And so that would be super great. So if you want to help me, just let the video play out. Otherwise, I'll see you down in the comments section below, and in about a week, I will see you again to find out if you've won or not. So stay tuned for that video. You do need to check that up. You do need to check the winner announcement video to see if you have won. All right. So thanks again to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Thank you for being an awesome viewer and making it possible that I can review these things and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, have a fantastic day, and I will see you again very soon.
So we didn't really get to make any other kinds of changes about, how fast or anything like that. But let's just see if it does it. So it's going to go to that one point. It's going to the next point. Okay. All right. It's actually kind of chilly out here. Need a jacket. Okay. It's going to that point. All right. It's kind of hanging out. There we go. Next point. But again, like, what's the point of this stuff? Like in this case, where you're spending almost $300, and it's not that fun. Like, there are more fun ways of spending $300, like on flying stuff, and it's not that nice. You know, like you're not gonna sell this footage. You're not even gonna like use it for like professional, or even like, I don't know. I'm not. It's not really going to be super high quality footage, basically. And then the features, since it doesn't do that great of footage, why would you want all those features of like follow me and waypoint and stuff? And there's no automatic picture taking option, I don't think. But even if there was, like, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna do survey work with this or something? I just, man, I'll tell you what. Like a lot of these drones, so many of these drones, they're not like bad exactly, but they're overpriced. So for the amount of money that you're paying, they're not good enough. And it's really too bad, because like, this is a super cool drone, but it probably costs, I don't know, barely anything to make it. I would think maybe, I mean, shoot, I don't know, maybe like $20 to make it. I mean, yeah, even though it's got GPS and stuff, okay, maybe like, let's say even if it costs $50 to make it, they're charging like 5 times as much? What? When you can get a DJI Mavic, Mini or something that's been that is used. I should have been recording that on video. That's used, and it still, like, handles better and does a better job of recording than this. And then the other thing though is you still have to deal with issues like, you still have to get like, I don't know about permission to fly. We'll have to maybe.
The flight height limit has been reached.
You still have like flight height limits and things, which that's fine. But then you're not even avoiding all of the other headaches of a phone controlled kind of drone, or phone required drone, I guess you could say. And also the gimbal's trash, because there's no gimbal. So that's ridiculous. Like I said, it does make it more durable, so that's something.
We get bars in our goggles that show